Y'all, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. First off, we just gonna cover her up. You know, until she get done, right? The brows gotta be done. Like, everything gotta be done at this point, y'all. Like, my look just needs a whole 180 at this point. Like I don't even know why my looks bother right now. Woo. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And if you don't know why I'm excited, I'm gonna let y'all know why I'm excited right now, okay? I wanna let everybody in on why I'm so freaking excited right now. Like, come here. It's March! Woo! Okay, so y'all, on top of it being March, I mean, like, the best month to ever be born in, like, you other months cannot compare. Like, I'm sorry, y'all cannot compare to March. Like, y'all can't compare. I know we got Christmas, we got this, blah, blah, blah. But March, y'all just can't compare to March. I'm sorry. Y'all can't compare. Like, you cannot compare. Like, there's no comparison when it comes to March. Like, it's not for debate. It's not up for debate at all, y'all. But anyways, y'all, so it is March. Yeah, it's March. That's all I gotta say right now. It's March. Y'all, it's March. It's my birthday, y'all. And today is the 8th. Y'all see that? March 8th. Okay. So that means we are how many days away? We are 5 days away. 5 from my birthday. Yes, y'all make noise. Y'all hear that? Woo! We 5 days away from my birthday, y'all. So, this is gonna be like a maintenance vlog. It might be a try on haul, or it just might be an unboxing. I'm not sure. Or I might just wait until we get to where we're going. Because we're going to go where we get to. Because we always going. But not really, because we ain't went. So now we're going to go. Alright, y'all. Like I said, y'all know she ain't going to pack. They're going to pack everything in one good old little box, y'all. They ain't finna play around with the play around. Wasting all that. Y'all gonna get in one box. Alright, y'all. Let's see what we got. And then shout out to Shein too. Because it said that it wasn't going to be delivered until Sunday. And don't judge the screwdriver. Sorry, bag. I had to open up my package. Alright. What we got, y'all? Hey! I'm so... Oh! I'm so ready, y'all. Right. Oh, yeah. Man, I can't wait to wear them. I used to have a pair of these when I was younger. It's so funny. Y'all ready to see what we got? Y'all ready? Wait, I ordered 2 pair? Y'all, I got 2 pair. I thought I only ordered 1. Let me see. Let's see. Y'all, why I ordered 2 pair? That's insane. I literally ordered 2, y'all, for what? I have no clue. Why would I order 2 pair on the guy, 1 pair of hands? Okay. These are for my Crocs. I'm ready to show y'all this though. That's for the concert. This for the concert. Got some rings. Oh, these. Wait a minute. Y'all, did I order some extra? Child. I hope I ain't ordering nothing extra again. Like, I was kind of rushing when I did this, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Hey, y'all. So, Bear already got a pair of these shoes. And my little cousin, she had, she was the first person I seen with these. And I was like, hold on, them things, they kind of nice, though. No cap. They actually nice. So, Bear already got the blue pair. So, I told her she need to get the black pair. Because she not really... Let me turn y'all around. Hold on. So, y'all, my woman, she not really into, like, she likes shoes, but she not really into them. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's not really her thing. It's my thing. Yes. Yep. Got my little dress. Yeah, I be having a bad habit of, I don't feel like it's a bad habit. I feel like it's a good thing. But tell me if I'm wrong now. Like, I order stuff and I wear it. And I will wear it a lot of times. Like, don't get me wrong. I like to wear my stuff. I'm not one of those people that say I can't wear an outfit twice. No, I can. I surely can. Who can't? But, if I have something sitting in my closet too long and I'm not wearing it, I give it away. Am I wrong? This looks so funny, y'all. Ooh. Y'all look. This for a doll. I'm yelling. I'm technically not going anywhere with it, but you know, I think I'm going to do something special with it. Not going to tell y'all yet, but oh, I should have ordered this a little bigger. Cause once the breasts go up, it's gonna be small. I thought I went up on it. Okay, it's still not as big as I wanted it to be. Once I put my little bra on. Dang, y'all. It's big in the arm part. Like, it's long, but it ain't as big as I wanted it to be. Dang, y'all. I already know my baby can't fit these little pants. Dang. Dang, bro. I'm gonna have to go and find my baby some pants, y'all. Because that outfit was gonna be really nice. I really want to get another pair of these, y'all. Because if you know, you know. Baby, I need to clean them. They're a little dirty. But, I love these shoes, y'all. It's like the platform. Black Crocs. Y'all love these shoes. But anyway. I can break you off, then you'll give us to it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, then you'll give us to it all. Yeah. I thought the color got on my shirt. Y'all, the hair is finally... Y'all ain't ever seen my hair this flat in a while. Can y'all see how the color eat though? I don't think y'all can see it yet. We're gonna wait till we get home and we're gonna show y'all. And just excuse me right now for the quality change because I'm on my extra phone, but I can't record on these phones because be making it be making that noise, so I can't record on it right. But you know, I'm at the donut shop right now. I'm about to get baking a donut out of here. Some kind of, it's what y'all calling them things? Like the little piggy in the blanket. She been wanting one of them. So I'm gonna get her one, and I'm probably gonna get a donut. Y'all, I'm gonna eat a piece of little sausage. It's cheddar and cheese, y'all. I'm gonna eat a piece. Hope she don't be mad. Y'all look at it. I should have got more. That's so good. But like I said, I got me a donuts. Real cute. Yeah, they got the best donuts. This the donut shop, right? Y'all see it back there? For the people that stay down here, it's the one right here by the old pass. They got the best donuts.